Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. So, in the last class, we have completed chapter number 1. In that chapter, we discussed about living and non-living things, the difference between non-living things and living things. So, while discussing living and non-living things, we have come across so many examples where, in the living thing section, where there were animals and human beings both. So in this chapter we will be discussing the differences between animals and human beings. They both are living things, but we will be discussing the difference between animals and human beings. So to understand the difference between animals and human beings, we will first understand the characteristic features of animals. Okay, so let us start with the characteristic features of animals. How to recognize or identify that some living thing is an animal. So the first one mentioned here is animals and birds both move from place to place w- in search of food and shelter. You all have seen that dogs have four legs, cow have four legs, cat have four legs. So all these animals use their four legs to move from one place to another. In the same way, birds you all have seen, they have wings, so they use their wings to move from one place to another. In this way, all the animals and birds uses different ways to move from one place to. Now, coming towards the second characteristic feature. The second characteristic feature states that some animals live in their natural environment while some animals make their own homes. It according to this, some animals live at the place where they were born, while some animals try to make the home according to them. As you all must have seen that birds make their own nest, so they make their own homes. And for example, a lion lives in a den, a rat lives in a hole, and a rabbit lives in a burrow. Different animals lives in their home in different environments. So, the third characteristic feature states that some animals eat only plants. This I have discussed while discussing the living and non-living thing difference as well. That there are, when talking about eating food, animals are categorized into three categories. Some animals eats only plants, they only eat plant. Some animals eat the flesh of other animals only. They do not eat plants. While in the third category, the animal comes which eat plants and flesh of other animals both. So the examples for all three of these categories are, in the first categories, the animals that eat plants are cows and goats. The animals that eat flesh of other animals are owls and tigers. So the animals that eat plants and flesh both are bear and crows. Now, coming towards the next characteristic feature. According to this, animals communicate with each other by making different sounds. So, you all know that dogs bark, and the cat makes meow sound. So why do they make different type of sounds? They make different type of sounds to communicate with each other. We may not understand their sounds, but they uses the different types of sound to communicate with each other. For example, the frogs croak, the birds chirp, the lions roar, the parrots can talk means they can imitate the human voice. If you have, or you have seen any other uh, pet parrot, you may know that parrots can imitate our voice. Okay, so the next one is, some animals can change their body temperature to that of their surroundings. These are called cold blooded animals. This means that some animals have a special characteristic feature where they can change their body temperature. They can change their body temperature according to the temperature in the environment. These animals are called cold blooded animals. For example, snakes, frogs, and fish, and just opposite to that, there are some animals which cannot change their body temperature according to the temperature of their surroundings. Such animals are called as warm blooded animals, and their examples are birds, lions, and tigers. Now, the next characteristic features is animals that have six legs are called insects. We have usually animals have four legs, but there are animals as well. They have six legs, and these special type of animals we called as insects, and their examples are termites, mosquitoes, and grasshoppers. Number 8 is some animals lay eggs to reproduce while some give birth to young ones. This also we have discussed in chapter number 1, that there are different ways of animals to reproduce. Reproduce means to produce young ones. Some gives birth to the young ones directly while some lays eggs. For example, the hen lays eggs. Okay. Now these were the 8 characteristic features of animals. Now we are doing this quick recap exercise here. In this we have to choose the correct answer from the given options. Now the first one is birds have dash wings, legs, fins, gills to fly. What do the birds have which they use to fly? And yes, the correct answer is wings. Now second, a dash crow, cow, fox or tiger eats only plants. This also we have done, only cow. Third, dash an owl, a goat, an elephant, a deer eats only the flesh of other animals. This also we have done. It is an owl. Fourth, a dash crow, tiger, frog, or snail eats both plants and animals. Now, correct, the right answer is crow. So, this was all for today. I hope you all have understood. If you still have any doubts, let me know. Thank you.